Hey, what's up guys? Michael here with Warp Drive M. In today's episode I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem with ABS and DSC lights on the dash. So if your speedo doesn't work, your instant gauge doesn't work, instant fuel gauge doesn't work, you just have to see this video in order to find out how to fix the problem. So yeah, let's begin. First, drive with the car and check this out. I already have an error or two. The speedometer doesn't work. As you can see, I have the rev indicator is working, but the instant gas consumption is not working, and the speedometer is not working as well. So this is a sign that the ABS pump doesn't receive any signal from the wheel that gives speed to the ABS pump. So that's why the speedometer doesn't work, and the instant consumption gauge doesn't work as well. So now I'm heading home. I hope I receive my package, and we are going to change that ABS sensor. Now I'm at home. I received my ABS sensor. It's gonna look like this. Yeah, this is the end that is going to measure the speed. This is just a plug and some rubber molding, because it has a path where it should go, and we just have to tuck it in there. So anyway, this is the new ABS sensor. We are gonna work on this side of the car, on the left side in the back, because in here is the sensor that sends the speed to the car because of the differential. Yeah, that's why this wheel is always spinning. So anyway, in order to change this, we have to jack up the car. I'm going to lift the car. I'm going to put it on the jack stand. We are going to remove the wheel, and I'm going to show you after that. So in order to remove the wheel, we have to take the plastic cap off. We have to first unscrew some bolts, not completely, yeah? Okay, and now I'm going to jack up the car, and I'm going to remove the wheel, and I'm going to show you where the ABS sensor is. Now I can remove this wheel. Job done. The car will remain there on a jack. In here it's very sturdy, and now we can work on the car. Yep. So first step is to locate the ABS sensor and to remove it. The simplest way to locate your ABS sensor is just to follow the wire. Yeah. So this is the wire. Just follows where it goes. I hope you can see in here. Let me try to give you another angle. So this is the ABS sensor. As you can see, we have an Allen bolt in here, and that's the only one. Yep. Okay, now I'm afraid that I have to remove the splash guard as well. Maybe I can loosen just these two ones, and I can flex it in here, and I will have access to the connection to the plug. we have access to the plug right there. I'm gonna unplug the connector from there, from all the rubber points, and we are ready to unbolt this one. Yep. And it's out. So this is the old one, and this is the new one. Oh, it was out of range. So I'm pretty sure that this one is not bad, because sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. It's just dirty because the car was sitting for like a year now, and as you can see here, this one is very clean, the top, because here has a magnetic piece. That I think this is just it was just dirty, because like I've said, sometimes worked, sometimes it wasn't working. But I have a new one, and I'm going to replace this. And now I'm ready to install the new ABS sensor. I've cleaned everything. Let me show you how this is going to look after you've cleaned that. Yep. So I've cleaned everything, and now it's just the reverse order of what we've done earlier. Everything is put together, wheel cap, wheel, and haha, problem solved. Yeah, I'm gonna drive it now a little bit on the road to see if the light comes on again, and if the light comes on again, then we have a bigger problem. It's gonna be the ABS pump. I hope it's not the case. So this is what I call a very good job done. As you can see, the car has no error. The sensor was bad in my case, and when you change the ABS sensor and you still have this error, that means your ABS pump is bad, and you can send it to rebuild somewhere, and you don't have to change it. And yeah, by the way, you have to repair it because it's VIN coded. So if you buy another one, you have to code it for your car, and that's more complicated than to send it to be repaired. Anyway, that's about it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you find this information useful. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as always, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.